So the POOT dev actually told us that the Sol Reclaimer utility is now live. So if you have not actually watched my video on the POOT project, I actually did a full review on the POOT project, so check the link up here and watch it now. And also, this website wasn't actually like this, it's way cooler than it was before. So if you actually want to see a whole review on the new V3 POOT website, you can also check it up here too. The link is somewhere around this video. So now I am going to be reviewing the Sol Reclaimer utility. So before we proceed, basically a Sol Reclaimer is a program that helps Solana users to reclaim their Sol tokens from forgotten or empty SPL accounts. SPL is actually Solana Program Library. Do you know actually when creating your account on the Solana network, a small fee in Solana is required, and if your account is actually empty or unused, that fee is essentially wasted. So that's where a Sol Reclaimer comes in to help you recover that fee from those unused and empty accounts. What you need to do once you come to the website is to connect your wallet. If you don't connect your wallet, you're going to see something like this. Yes, so this is why you have to connect your wallet first. So you come to select wallet, and then I have Phantom on me, so we're going to click that. So once you click Phantom, it's going to be connected. But if you have not connected before, you're going to see a brief dialog box here where you have to, connect your wallet and sign. So after that, you come and click Utilities, and then when you click Utilities, you'll see Sol Reclaimer. So when you click Sol Reclaimer, this is what you will see. Now, first off, you have to have some POOT in your balance. You have to be holding POOT at least, even if it's one POOT. Because if you don't actually hold POOT and you try to use the utility, this is what you will see. So in order to avoid this, you just have to be holding some POOT on you. Why? Because POOT is the main native token used on the POOT website. So you can't actually use most of their utilities without POOT. So this is actually a very green light to actually go and buy some POOT, because the amount of people that will be using this Sol Reclaimer means more buys on the POOT, and means the price is going to keep going higher, and it means what investors are going to gain. So make sure you buy some POOT. So it's just simple. So you can see that Sol Reclaimer will split transaction into batches of 10. Zero balance account is 3. So potential Sol recovery is this. So you click reclaim Sol. So it's just going to process. So you just give it some time. Good. So after a while, the phantom dialog box is going to open. So you just type in your password and you unlock it. So you have to confirm the transactions, obviously. So you click proceed anyway. Remember, it's actually a new dApp, so you should expect this kind of thing. So click proceed anyway. So when you click that, you'd actually see this. So you click confirm. Even if they say it's unsafe, it's actually very, very safe. This is actually a new dApp, so it will actually take Phantom Wallet some time to actually, you understand. So you click confirm, and then I understand that yes, no problem. So yes, confirm. So when you confirm that, another dialog box is going to come up, and so in this dialog box you're going to be proceeding, and you confirm, and good. So the Sol has been fully reclaimed. So I am just going to check my balance so y'all can see. So as you can see, some Sol has actually been reclaimed. So you can see that my Sol balance has actually gone higher. So that is exactly how to use the Sol Reclaimer. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I still remain Yaks Republic.